Guys, Google Pay application is not working in iPhones. You will see I will open this application, it will open, but guys right now it just stuck. Yes guys, it will not move further and it just stuck on this page like Google, and it will not guys working in the iPhone. So I will show you guys if you are also facing this type of problem in the Google Pay applications in your iPhone. Maybe guys I am using right now iPhone X, and maybe guys you are using different devices, iPhone XR, 10, 11, 12. The topic is guys it is not working. You will see I have already updated my Google Pay application. I will show you, and in this video I will show you that how you can fix this issue if this application is not working. Maybe guys the iOS version is 16, that's why guys it is not working, but guys I will tell you full detail and I will show you at last that how you can fix this and how you can use this application in your iPhone. So guys, let's start without any further delay. Before starting this video guys, I would like to say one thing, that please guys, if you are watching my videos at first time, and also guys if you have to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload any video you will get notifications of that video. Okay, and now I will tell you how I can fix this problem. Okay, firstly I will show you guys right now I am using iOS 16 version. I will tap name is iPhone X. You will see guys. Okay, now I will tell you how you can fix this issue. So I will open this application again. Maybe guys now it will work. Let's see. Alright guys, so still it is not working and it's just stuck on this page. So I will go back. Firstly guys, in order to fix this issue in this application, you have to guys go to the Apple Store application. Simply tap on here search bar. I mean guys, you can download any safe DNS from Apple Store, and after download that DNS you have to guys go back and connect that, and then guys you have to go to the Google Pay application. It will 101% work. Now I will tell you that how you can download that DNS, which DNS I am talking in this video. Okay guys, so guys, in order to fix this issue in this Google Pay application, you need to guys go to the Safari browser in your iPhones. I have opened the Chrome browser, but guys you have to open the Safari browser, and then guys simply you have to type google.com in the Safari browser. Okay, so after searching the google.com, simply you have to click on the search bar, and now you have to type easytips.com. Yes guys, I have given the that DNS link on this website, Easy Tips. Remember guys, the spelling of tips, T-I-P-S, Easy Tips, T-I-P-S.com. I have already mentioned the spelling of Easy Tips website. Now you have to tap on first one, click on this, and after guys simply you have to scroll down. At last you will get the search bar of, just hold on guys, you will see you have to guys simply, and in the search bar guys you have to type solve. Yes guys, you have to type solve, then you have to tap on the search, click on search. After clicking on, you will see guys the solve problem in games and apps 2022 and 23. You have to tap on this article, and when you will click on this article guys, you will get that DNS link on this page, and you have to download that, and after downloading that you have to connect to your iPhone. Then guys your application will be 101% working in your iPhones. You have to scroll down and just hold on. You have to guys, you will see please wait. So you have to wait at least 5 seconds. After I click here, when you will click here, now you have to scroll down, and at last guys you will get that safe DNS. Actually guys, I have given that DNS link here because I want you download correct application, because guys lot of duplicate applications has available on the Apple Store. Okay, so simply guys you have to wait, and when this second will be finished, you have to guys click on the install, and when it will be successfully installed in your iPhone, you have to connect that DNS. Then guys your application will be work. Okay, so right now guys I have not connected. You have to connect. Easy Tips. Remember guys, you go and visit and fix this issue. Thanks for watching guys.